Hey, what's going on, guys? In the previous video on this motorcycle, the client brought it in and he wanted a red crimson metallic, which is a OEM Ford color. The bike came out really good, but after looking at it for a while, he decided he had made the wrong decision on the color. So he asked me if we could change the color again. So after doing some research, he stumbled across one of my favorite colors, which is of course House of Colors Brandywine. Because it was previously painted, I went ahead and knocked it all down with like 320 grit. I didn't want to just wet sand it and then put, you know, a new finish over a fresh finish with just such a light sanding mark. So I wanted to kind of put some profile in there. So I went with 320 and then worked my way up. So after it was coated, the client brought in some raw plastic saddle bags that he wanted to put on it. So I went ahead and sculpted those and color matched those to that Brandywine as well. Overall, it was a fun project. The client was really satisfied with it. So let's go ahead and check out the process and I'll see you at the end of the video. All right, that's going to wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you liked the video. Consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly recommend to do so. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of projects that I have to drop because I'm trying to catch up from everything that I did in 2021 that I have yet to post it. I have a lot of videos backed up on my computer and I just got to go through and edit them and stuff like that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I consider subscribing. Please do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned in to the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.